Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action has been wild lately, hasn't it? That massive move breaking upwards of $102,000 had everyone convinced we were headed higher. But as it turns out, the market had other plans. Not only did Bitcoin break through multiple key levels like 101.4, 100.8, 100.2, and $99,600, none of which held as support. But we finally found a bounce at $96,000. From peak to trough, we saw a 6.51% dip. That's a significant pullback, taking us back to price levels from the first week of January. On the 1-hour time frame, Bitcoin is now heavily oversold, with an RSI of just 13. So what does this mean for altcoins? Let's check. If you are a glass half full type of guy, you can see it as bonus time to finish your altcoin picks of 2025. Looking at the broader market, it's not just Bitcoin feeling the pain. Even the S&P 500 is down 1.13% today. Naturally, Bitcoin reacts more dramatically due to its smaller market cap and higher volatility. For perspective, the S&P 500 has a market capitalization of $50.265 trillion, while Bitcoin sits at just $1.912 trillion. Now let's zoom out for a moment. The S&P 500 has been in a downtrend since December 9th, and if we look back, Bitcoin's price on that same day was at its peak of $101.4 thousand. With Bitcoin now trading at $96.5 thousand, we're still holding up relatively well in the bigger picture. Switching over to the daily time frame, things actually look pretty bullish. On January 1st, the 50 EMA, marked in yellow, and the 200 EMA, marked in magenta, came close to crossing but didn't. On the same day, we also saw a green dot on the daily chart with an RSI of 43. These are strong indicators for an uptrend, and so far we've seen a 10.8% gain since then. That's still a positive sign. Now here's where things get interesting. The 1-week liquidation heat map is showing some concerning signals. Massive long positions have opened up right after the recent dump, with the hottest leverage clusters sitting around $95.8 thousand. The leverage extends all the way down to $92,000. Yesterday I mentioned that $92,000 seemed highly unlikely to be retested, and for now it's still holding. However, with the current price hovering near $96,000, those long leverage pockets are dangerously close. And let's be real, market makers love to grab every penny, especially when those liquidation pockets are within easy reach. On a personal note, yesterday I closed out a smaller degen position I'd opened mid-December at $98,000. It was a smaller margin position, but I locked in double the amount in profits I lost during my over-leveraged Chainlink long wave experiment, which failed. Feels good to be back in the green after that. So, what's next? Let's keep an eagle eye on the price action because the market is anything but predictable. I'll keep you updated with the latest moves. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Like this video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.